Chapter 2. Our Big Universe. There are plenty of planets and stars in the sky. This whole area is called universe. It is very big. Scientists know little about it. It has neither starting point nor the end. Our Earth is a small planet of universe. That means we are also part of the universe. There are numerous stars. Let us know more about the universe. The Sun. The Sun is a big and bright shining body in the universe. It is made of hot and burning gases. It spreads light and heat to all sides. It is visible to us only during daytime. It is much bigger than our Earth. Actually, it is a small star, but it appears much larger than other stars. It is because the other stars are much farther from us and Sun is closer to the Earth. Do you know the Sun is 150 million kilometers away from Earth? During daytime, we can see everything because of the light coming from Sun. All life on Earth is supported by the Sun. It gives heat to us and all other plants and animals. The Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is not visible to us during night time. Therefore, it is dark in the night. The nights are cool because we are not getting any heat from the sun. Sun gives us warmth during winters. We like to sit in the sun during winter season. We feel comfortable in the sunshine. After washing the clothes, we dry them in the sunshine. Our solar system has 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All 8 planets revolve around the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet. Our Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Mercury is the closest and Neptune is the farthest planet from Sun. Many planets have some satellites which revolve around the planets. Solar system is made of Sun, planets and the satellites. Activity. Earlier, the solar system was believed to be of 9 planets. Name the heavenly body which is not considered as planet since 2006. The Earth. Like other planets, our Earth is also a planet of the solar system. It makes 2 movements, rotation and revolution. When Earth rotates on its axis like a top, it is called rotation. The day and night are formed with this movement. It takes 24 hours for one rotation. The Earth rotates from west to east. The second movement of Earth is called revolution. It is the movement around Sun. Earth has a fixed orbit on which Earth revolves around the Sun. It takes around 1 year, 365, 1/4 days to make revolution around Sun. This movement makes the seasons like summer, winter, autumn and spring. Both movements are made by Earth simultaneously. The surface of the Earth is covered with land and water. The land part is called the continents and the water part is called the ocean. There are 7 continents and 4 oceans. The 7 continents are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. The 4 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. There are many countries in one continent. Our country is India. It is a part of Asia continent. The Indian Ocean touches it. The Moon. Many planets have the satellites. These are smaller than the planets. They are also called the natural satellites. Jupiter has 16 satellites. Our Earth has only one satellite. It is Moon. It is very close to the Earth, therefore it appears bigger. It revolves around the Earth. It takes around 28 days to make one revolution around Earth. It is visible to us only during night time. It is in the sky during day also, but due to bright sunshine of the sun, we are not able to see it. Sometimes we cannot see it even during night time. That period is called the new moon or Amavasya. Sometimes it is visible in full round shape. This phase is called the full moon or Purnima. Do you know the moon is 3,84,000 km away from the earth? New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, full moon, last quarter, waning crescent, new moon. Sometimes the moon is visible partially. All these shapes are called the phases of moon, which keep on changing every day. The stars. There are countless stars in the sky. They appear very small, but actually they are very big. Most of the stars are even bigger than the sun. They appear small because they are very far from the earth. They appear twinkling in the sky. Some stars shine brightly. These stars are closer to earth than other stars. Group of stars is called constellation. All stars move in the universe. The constellations also move in universe, but in one group. The important constellations are Saptarishi or Great Bear, Orion, Leo, etc. The pole star is a bright star in sky. It is also called Dhruv Tara. It guides the travelers and sailors because it is always in the north direction. Things to remember. 1. The sun is a bright shining body in the universe. 2. The sun has 8 planets revolving around it. 3. The earth makes 2 movements, rotation and revolution. 4. Surface of earth is covered by 7 continents and 4 oceans. 5. The moon takes 28 days to make 1 revolution around earth. 6. Different shapes of moon are called the phases of moon. 7. Most of the stars are much bigger than the sun. 8. Groups of stars are called the constellations.